हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं Galaxy Z Fold 7 की अनबॉक्सिंग। जैसा कि आपको पता है, आई एम अ बिग आईफोन यूजर, लेकिन मुझे हर कुछ महीनों के बाद होता है कि आईफोन इज नॉट चेंजिंग मच। आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर iOS 26, लेकिन iOS 26 एक्चुअली disappointed me. I was trying all the new features which Apple promised that they will change the way I use my phone. It didn't happen. Before that, I was actually using Samsung Z Fold 6 as my primary phone, and I actually like Z Fold 6 a lot. I was trying Z Fold 6, I tried S25 Ultra, I actually also tried Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I feel like that Apple is now behind in the software development and even in hardware. Like, look at the Samsung, they are coming up with foldables, flip folds. So that left me with considering that, okay, what's going on? Now that we are at a stage where Android is getting better and better with every small iteration. So what happened? I had Z Fold 6. Samsung made me an offer which I couldn't refuse. So now Samsung is giving me $1,045 as a trade-in credit. And after the trade-in credit, and there were some other promo codes as well, I was actually able to get a Samsung Z Fold 7 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. The cost of the watch comes down to $240 and the Galaxy Z Fold was around $1,200. So in all, I paid $1,600 for both of these devices plus my Z Fold 6. So that's what I got. I got my Z Fold 7. This is the black version and it comes with 512 GB of storage. अब हम इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं और इसमें देखते हैं कि how it's different than the Z Fold 6 और इसमें क्या नई चीजें हैं. Because Z Fold 6 में तो they did not do any much more effort because they knew that everyone was buying their phone and they did not make much changes in the Z Fold 6. Because now there are so many better phones. Vivo के कुछ phones हैं. There are some really nice foldable devices out there. So let's go ahead and do the honors. Oh my god, it's a foldable device and look at the thickness of the iPhone and Samsung Z Fold 7 while it's closed. मुझे लगता है कि Samsung Z Fold 7 अपनी folded position में iPhone से ज़्यादा फिर भी पतला है. So I just checked and it's at unfolded is only 4.2 millimeter thin, which is very thin, and it weighs only 215 gram. I think last year Samsung Z Fold 6 was around 240 and I think iPhone is actually around 230. So this one is at 215 gram, which is lighter than both of these devices, which is insane. It's like a matte black. Actually, it's not really a jet black, I would say, and it's still, and I think the screen is bigger than the Z Fold 6. It's much bigger than the you can see that this one is 7.6 and this one is as you can see, very straightforward 8-inch AMOLED display, which is outside display is 6.5 as I said. Let me just quickly set it up and then I will come back. Let me open the outside display. I think इसके अंदर इन्होंने the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite डाला है, जो कि special Galaxy Z Fold chipset के लिए Snapdragon always does. इसके अंदर improved armored screen है, इसकी Gorilla Glass I believe ceramic true frame है for durability. When we come to the battery side of the things, I believe the battery is the only thing which I am a little bit worried about because इसके अंदर 4400 milliamp battery है, जो कि I think is the same size जो कि Z Fold 6 की थी. I wish Samsung had done better on the battery front. But one thing which is new is that it comes with 25-watt wireless charging, which was not the case with Z Fold 6. So that is something better. I'm gonna set this up. As you can see, I'm really excited to play around with it. So मैं इसको set up करूँगा and then I will tell you कि मेरा क्या experience है इस foldable के बारे में. On the first glance, I think it's very thin, it's very bright. I'm really excited to try this new foldable devices. हम Samsung foldable try करते हैं और yeah, let's see. Thank you everyone.